Alright, YouTube, I done made it to the crib. And as y'all can see, I got both of them set up. I'm about to change the brakes on this one and the oil. I'm just gonna change the oil on the Avi. Got everything laid out, ready to go. I already got this tie off. Yeah, them things done for. Oh yeah. The road is good. I actually put, when I first got the truck, I put new calipers, brakes, and rotors up here. So the pads done went, that was 3 years ago. The pads gone. I'm going to swap them out right quick. Example, how some shit that ain't supposed to take nothing but 5 minutes turn into a whole nother fucking job, dog. Look at that shit. Shit rounded off. The fucking screw go right through it, dog. And that's the fucking spindle, yo. So I'm gonna have to get a whole nother fucking spindle for this shit. Something simple just turned into a whole nother motherfucking issue. That quick. Changing the fucking brake pads. Fuck out of here. This shit just turned into a whole nother motherfucking job. Top one thread right in. Get tight. Alright, YouTube, I done got oil changed on both of these. Start both of these things up. Sir, my baby needed some new oil. Cut that off. Start the Abby up. Hey, Butt. Yeah, man, I had to freshen both of these babies up, man. Had to freshen them both up. But I'm on to be continued on her. I gotta find some spindles. If I change one, I'm gonna change both of them. So I probably just order 2 brand new spindles for her. Abby sounded good. Abby sounded good. Running like a champ. And with the single cab, I took that damn bench seat out. Took that old bench seat out. And I slapped them up in there. Yes, sir. Clean up my mess. Alright, YouTube, got everything cleaned up. If anybody know where I can find some spindles at for this thing, drop it down in the comments. I just got offline, looking kind of iffy. Let me know though. Alright, YouTube, I'm out here at this LKQ in Durham, and it's the same year as my truck, 97. Yeah, that motherfucker got new brake pads on it. I'm taking them motherfuckers too. Goddamn brake pads brand new. Hell yeah. I could have saved that $58. Shit, she gonna fight me. Figure out what the hell all I gotta take off. But I need one for the passenger side. This is Suburban right here too. Got the same setup. The exact same setup. What year is this Bourbon? I think this Bourbon in 98. Yeah. We gonna snatch one of these. My baby gonna be back running today. Got me fucked up. Yeah, boy. Oh yeah. Oh hell, this bolt sticking out. Oh no, it's just missing the rubber grommet. That motherfucker axle right there shot. Somebody done got the front diff off of it. I want the front diff off of that one. I need a front diff. I need something. I threw my shit in 4-wheel drive. That bitch ain't do nothing. Front wheels ain't do shit. Front diff still on here. Might have to come snatch that. It won't be today though. But yeah, man, let me go ahead and find out what tools I need so I can go and snatch this shit off. Cut y'all back on in a second. Look at them brake pads. Brand fucking new. Brand new. Rotors. Rotors probably decent too. I wonder if I can stick something through here to keep this axle from moving. I don't know. We got some cotter pins to get out. 3 pins to get out. Let's see if I can get these bolts off. on there. I guess that's the axle nut. Holding the axle on. Pack got that bitch right off. Big boy right there. Hit that one. I gotta go after that one, this one, and this one. And start by getting them pins out. Top one connected to the tie rod is a 19. Yeah, whole damn thing spinning. Look, look at that right there. Whole thing spinning. Whole thing spinning. See if I can pry this in there somehow to get it to stop spinning. When there's a wheel, there's a motherfucking way. I'm curious to see how much they're gonna charge for them brake pads. Alright. There's all the bolts off the hub. I should be able to put that hammer to it to get this bitch loose. Oh yeah, the hammer got it done. The hammer got it done. I just hit that motherfucker until she popped. I don't know about this bottom one though. God damn it. Don't play with me. Alright, she off. That was a piece of work, dog. Ain't even gonna hold you. Alright, YouTube, so I'm back at the crib. Already gonna start breaking this down. Got all my little tools set up. I can start busting it down. Alright. Alright, so I left the bolt on the tie rod jump so I won't mess up the threads. Alright, they both loose. Yep, they're exactly the same. They both got a K on it. Yep. 6403. Oh, 6408 RH. Same thing. There ain't nothing wrong with this. There don't seem like nothing wrong with this one either. I'm trying to decide if I want to put that one up here or just rock it out like this. Bitch feel good, ain't no need to take it apart. But I'm gonna keep that. I might leave this on there. Feel good. I'm gonna keep that one, cause ain't damn thing wrong with that one. Threads going in there. Pretty sure you can rethread that shit too. Probably keep both of them. I think I'm just gonna slap this up there like how it is. Alright, I finally got that damn bolt tight after about 15 minutes worth of half damn turns. I got the spindle, this hub, and them damn brake pads that was on there from the junkyard for $80. Saved me some bread till it's time to replace this shit. I'm still gonna get online and see if I can find some brand new ones. I like to have brand new shit. I ain't even gonna hold you. What the hell is this? Now I gotta get back there and check them damn brakes. It's oily all up in there. Gotta be fucking brake fluid. And some other shit going on. Man, what the hell? This side dry. Brake pads and shit look good though. Why that shit so oily over there? Smell like gear oil. Oh hell yeah, what the fuck? Look at them brake pads. That shit is not supposed to be like that. Look at that. See that shit? Fuck going on back here? How my shit just started leaking gear oil? What the fuck is up with that? Look at that shit. Like my rotor being hitting that. But how? Oh, something ain't right back here. Oh, I gotta redo all this shit. What the fuck is going on back here? Dog! Dog! That's fucking gear oil. It smells, it's gear oil. I know what it smells like. Man, the OBS down bad. Is it a fucking rear axle or something? Like, what the fuck? And then if you look straight down, yeah, something ain't right. I need to check my fucking shit, see if it got some fluid in it. Cause look at all that. Man, to be continued. Anybody know where I fucked up at? Let me know. Feel free to get in the comments and tell me what the hell I got going on right here. I do not know. Damn. I don't know what the hell I got going on right here, dog. Look at this shit. Look at that shit. Like the roller being running up against the damn pin right there. What the fuck? Man, it's wicked. Alright, man, to be continued. This shit frustrating as hell.